girls, I'm Connie Quip. Are you ready for another adventure? Great! Today we're going to be learning about backhoes.
This is the backhoe. Well, it's not a real one. It's a toy one. Real ones are much, much bigger.
The backhoe has this scoop on the end that digs dirt, just like an ice cream scoop scoops ice cream. A backhoe can dig a trench. Backhoes have a bucket on one end that is perfect for digging. You stick the teeth in the ground and dig up the dirt. A backhoe can uproot a tree. Watch this clip. A backhoe can push dirt. Just about every worksite has a need for dirt to be pushed out of the way. After digging, the dirt usually piles up. Then you have to push it aside to carry on with the rest of your job. You can use your plow to push the dirt. You can plow snow. Do any of you live in a place where you get snow? Well, I do. Here we get lots of snow, and backhoes are great for plowing snow. Just take that plow and clear the roads.
That was so much fun learning about backhoes. Until next time, I'm Connie Quip.